Canada is a diverse and multicultural country that prides itself on its inclusivity and acceptance of different cultures, languages, and identities. The country has two official languages, English and French, and recognizes and celebrates the diversity of its people through a range of policies and initiatives. Official languages. English and French are the two official languages of Canada, with equal status and rights in all government institutions, including Parliament, the courts, and federal agencies. This means that Canadians have the right to communicate with the federal government in either English or French, and that all federal documents must be available in both languages. The recognition of English and French as official languages is a reflection of Canada's colonial history and the country's unique linguistic and cultural identity. French is the first language of many Canadians in the province of Quebec, and English is the dominant language in the rest of the country. Multiculturalism. Canada is a diverse and multicultural country, with a population that includes people from all over the world. The country's commitment to multiculturalism is enshrined in the Canadian Multiculturalism Act of 1988, which recognizes and celebrates the diversity of Canada's people and promotes the full and equal participation of all Canadians in the country's social, cultural, and economic life. One of the most notable aspects of Canada's multiculturalism is the celebration of cultural diversity through festivals and events. Canada has a range of cultural festivals throughout the year, including the Toronto Caribbean Carnival, the Vancouver Dragon Boat Festival, and the Calgary Stampede. These events celebrate the country's diverse cultural heritage and provide opportunities for Canadians to learn about and appreciate different cultures. Interesting examples/stories. One of the most interesting examples of Canada's linguistic diversity is the community of St. Boniface in Winnipeg, Manitoba. St. Boniface is a predominantly French-speaking community in the heart of the city, with a long history and cultural traditions dating back to the arrival of French settlers in the area in the 1800s. Today, St. Boniface is home to a range of French-language institutions, including the St. Boniface Hospital, the Collège Universitaire de Saint-Boniface, and the Festival du Voyageur. These institutions and events celebrate the community's French heritage and provide opportunities for people to learn and practice the language. Another interesting example of Canada's multiculturalism is the city of Brampton in Ontario. Brampton is one of the most diverse cities in Canada, with a population that includes people from over 200 different ethnic backgrounds. The city has a range of cultural festivals and events throughout the year, including the Carabram Multicultural Festival, the Diwali Festival, and the Brampton Cherry Blossom Festival. The city also has a number of community organizations and resources that support new immigrants and help them integrate into Canadian society. These resources include language classes, job training programs, and cultural centers. In conclusion, Canada's linguistic diversity and multiculturalism are two of the country's defining characteristics. The recognition of English and French as official languages and the celebration of cultural diversity through festivals and events are examples of Canada's commitment to inclusivity and acceptance of different cultures and identities. The examples and stories highlighted above demonstrate Canada's dedication to supporting and celebrating its linguistic and cultural diversity, providing opportunities for all Canadians to learn, grow, and thrive. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Canada has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Canada, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team. At Vancouver, Canada, CA.